Hello everyone, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Going Commando. Now, if I sound a little bit different, that's because today I got a new rubber band pattern. So my voice may sound a little bit more weird. I don't know if it will, but hopefully I can still be understood. So, last time we went to the Mactar Resort in the Mactar Nebula and we took on the challenges in the Mactar Arena. So now we are going to be taking on the JOBA Arena. Now, I think there's a lot more challenges here than in the Mactar Arena. Oh boy, damage avoidance challenge. Well, I do have the Tesla barrier, so that's something. Arachnoid battle. Now, here's something interesting. The JOBA Arena advertised the boss Arachnoid, but there's another boss that I don't think they actually showed. So you'll find out who the other boss is soon enough. First off, let's make sure everything is all nice and full. I really... You know what? Screw it.
To use the hover bomb, press circle to launch the bomb, then press circle again to detonate it. You can control the hover bomb by holding down circle and using the left analog stick.
Good to know. I'll be honest, I was holding off on buying that because I didn't know if I was going to want it. But, you know, it's better to buy it now than never. Plus, it's one extra weapon that I have ammunition for, so, you know, I guess it's beneficial. So now let's take on the Arachnoid battle.
Introducing the terror of Tarantia. It's shocking. It's amazing. Give it up for the Arachnoid.
Oh my god. Tesla barrier, Killanoid. Okay. Zodiac, Rhino 2. Okay, I'm confused. Why is there one extra slot? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I want to look this up real quick, because I don't remember any other weapon being around here. Ratchet and Clank Going Commando. No, not up yours, no. Going Commando. Weapons. Because, like, I've been so confused about this, I figure I might as well look it up now. I'm confused as to why there's a 24th slot if there's only 23 weapons. Because these two slots are for the Zodiac and the Rhino. And I just bought the hover bomb gun, so what gives? Going Commando. 24th. 24 weapons. Yeah, it says it features 24 weapons, so what's the 24th weapon? Oh, that's what the 24th weapon is. It's something called the Clank Zapper, which is only available in challenge mode. Okay. Oh yeah, the Clank Zapper. So basically the Clank Zapper is like a little, I think like a little lightning bolt weapon that you can use on enemies, and it pretty much sucks. Well, I mean, I guess it doesn't suck in certain minute situations, but for the most part, it sucks ass, from what I read. Because I saw a Reddit thread asking what the worst weapon in Ratchet & Clank was. A lot of people agreed the Clank Zapper was horrible. So I guess it's built for specific situations, but not situations you'd often find yourself resorting to the Clank Zapper in. So, anyways, where the hell did you go? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay, I'm gonna not use a hover bomb gun on him. I'm not gonna use a hover bomb gun in these challenges.
Ratchet and the metal guy.
The metal guy. Yeah, the hover bomb gun I'm probably gonna use on Planet Yeetle or something. I will say this now. I definitely recommend getting the most out of every single weapon. I really do. Actually, on top of that, I was gonna say that, I was gonna drop out and go to Slim's shop to get some Platinum Bolt mods for the weapons, but I checked recently and there's not really any other mods. I imagine the only ones that I would really get are the mods for the, hover bomb gun. So here's what confuses me the most, okay? I have like, what, over 18 Platinum Bolts, and I've pretty much gotten all the mods for all the weapons. If that's the case... Wait. It suddenly occurred to me that I think there might be more mods in challenge mode, but I don't know. We'll find out later. I've wasted enough time already. That's exactly why it's a good idea to have the Tesla barrier. Because those flame jets can catch you off guard. Because I think it's because they blend in so well with the arena that it doesn't look like anything else. Never mess with the Lombax. Victory is mine.
Goes to Ratchet and the metal guy.
Hazard cage match.
For a cage match.
That lava effect is so trippy. Now, I did say earlier that this series of challenges may actually be bigger than usual. And there's two reasons for that. Reason one is because I think there actually is more challenges than in the Maktar Resort. The other reason is because of the Impossible Challenge, which, as I mentioned earlier, is basically a series of 100 rounds of fighting enemies that switches up different effects in the arena. Do. Yeah! Megapede! This is the battle I mentioned before. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I'm pretty sure the announcer was supposed to, like, do that description thing of the boss, but he just didn't do it. Something about how he won several battles in several arenas, and he wormed his way into all of our hearts. Give it up for Megapede! Oh, by the way, I find this boss to be rather interesting because of a unique mechanic that he has. It's a shame he's dead. Oh, no, wait. Yeah, that's the mechanic right there. I find that really cool that if you destroy Megapede segments, they turn into little self-mobility turrets. Ah, yes. Limited weapon challenge. Use only the wrench. Well, it's a good thing I have a very fucking powerful Omni-wrench. Shoot! Come at me, little spider bastards. Now here's a little trick you might want to learn. If you're ever limited to something, and, well, okay, no. If you're trying to effectively take out enemies and conserve ammo, the best thing to do is use the other enemy's attacks against them. Because there's no rule saying you can't. There really isn't. Like, there's no rule saying you can't make one enemy attack another. Boink. I win. Aha! Okay, yeah, the bouncer's not a good idea. Alright, where'd you go? Yeah! 200,000 volts. This is where it all comes together. This is where your skills are truly tested. Pretty sure there's like 100 rounds. So let's go ahead and pick which weapons we're gonna want. I think I pretty much have. Tesla barrier, Killanoid. What do I want to choose? We'll start off with the meteor gun. Also, real quick, this is for getting all the weapons. This is for maximizing my nanotech. Oh, okay, so this is the last skill point that... Okay, so this is the last skill point that's involving an arena. And basically what I have to do is survive the impossible challenge. Now, Killanoids, of course, can't be replaced with ammo crates, so I'm gonna be dishing those out first. Those poor enemies. Actually, I'm going to be switching to Plasma Storm. I guess stuff like this is really only effective when I use it a certain way. Let's replace the Killinoid with... Seeker Gun. Switch that up with Mini Rocket Tube. Alley-oop. The Sheepinator, of course, is a fantastic weapon, since it doesn't use any ammo. Weapons that don't use ammo like this are the absolute best, but not all of them are really recommended. But, you know, it's still great to use them. Actually, That's more like it. I love how they send out these enemies, but then they make the lava rise up and it just kills all of them. Ah, and now, see, they switched it up. Now we have meteors trying to hit us. Which will only make this part much easier. Because not only do the meteors just blow up on whatever they hit, that being the enemies, that means if they don't hit me, it just makes this part go by a lot faster. I'd like to remind you all that even when I beat the game, I'm still gonna play it again in challenge mode because I want to get the Zodiac and crap. It's just that it's most definitely gonna take a while to get. I'm also honest to God really hoping that I'm really hoping I'll be able to afford the Carbonox armor. I don't think I will this time, but you know, it's whatever. First boss? No, we're still dealing with enemies. Okay. That's surprising, but whatever. This is an absolutely fantastic way to gain a lot of levels here. I wonder if it always disables my shield every single time I, you know, I wonder if it's disabled the shield every time I jump up here. Not that I really mind. I am out of shield now, though. I need something good. Alright. Alright. One final thing I want to do before we end off this episode is I want to pay a visit to Planet Bolden. And I want to do this because, yeah. First off, let me buy, all my ammo back. Now then, I want to check out Slim's shop, see if there's any new mods. Okay, acid mod, lock-on mod. 12 remain. Major confusion, cause is there gonna be mods for the Rhino and the Zodiac, or just the Rhino and the Clank chapter, or what? Oh well. Well, until next time, everyone. In the next episode of Ratchet and Clank Going Commando, we've managed to get all of the platinum bolts. We've completed all of the challenges. Hoverbike racing, the skill points. Well, we haven't gotten all the skill points yet, but we will. Okay, so we've gotten all of the titanium. We've gotten all of the Sorry, goddamn, I can't words today. We've done almost everything. We've gotten the crystals on Tabora and Grelbin. We've gotten all of the platinum bolts. We've gotten almost all the skill points. We've leveled up all but one of our weapons. We still have to buy the Carbonox armor and all that stuff. But for the most part, the only thing left to do is go to Planet Yeetle. But first, before I end off this episode, let me take a look at my trophy collection. Attain all 30 skill points. That's all I have to do. Obtain all 30 skill points. BFG for big fucking gun. I'm trying to like... Yeah. Hang on. Before we go on to the finale, I just want to say that I looked at these trophies like yesterday, and oh yeah, mutated protopet. You probably saw that one coming, cause is it really all? Well, I guess you know now then what we're gonna be dealing with. But you're not going to know just how much of an issue and how much of a threat it's actually going to be. But yes, we're going to be dealing with a mutated protopet, and if we take that out, all the other defects will be taken out. Like a hive mind. I looked at these trophies and I just... It just really takes me back, because when I first played this, I don't know when this started. Probably on July, probably like July 6th or something. Wow, 2 years later. Almost exactly 2 years later. Bizarre. Alright, that's the 6th. So it began on or before the 6th of July in 2016. That's when I first started playing this game. This stuff lasted me so many days in a row. That's just how great this game is. So, until next time, everyone, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. And next time, we go to Planet Yeetle. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Going Commando. So, last time, we finally completed every other challenge, every other thing, except for 2 skill points and 2 platinum bolts. And the upgrading of 1 weapon, and the purchase of, well, I guess 1 weapon in, or is it 2 weapons in challenge mode? And the other thing to consider is, I don't know if there's any mods for any other weapons that I haven't bought yet, but it would seem that I have 12 platinum bolts and I have no idea what any of them are for. They could be for the Rhino 2 and for the Zodiac and maybe the Clank Zapper, but who can really say for sure? So, I would imagine that if that's the case, then there's going to be 2 mods for each of the last 3 weapons that each cost 2 platinum bolts. So that's 4, that's 8, that's 12. 4 platinum bolts for each weapon. But now that everything else has been done, we're off to the planet Yeetle.